handtruckstogo.com. Count on us to keep you rolling.
Bulk delivery carts by B&P Manufacturing. A bulk delivery cart is known by a variety of different names. Some people call them U-boats, some people call them high-end carts, some people call them bulk delivery carts. So we're going to refer to them as bulk delivery carts or our FHE series of platform carts. It is a one-piece form deck. It has fully welded stringers, it has extruded corner blocks, it has a 1/4 inch thick caster plates. The handles are heat treated. They're reinforced with an inner structure tube to prevent handle bending. The handles are removable for easy storage and transportation. The cart also has tilt designed into it, so it makes it easy to pivot right on top of itself for getting into tight areas and easier maneuvering. They come in a variety of different widths. Our standard is 18-inch wide and 60 inches long, but we do offer a few other configurations of different lengths. So you can get a 61 or you can get a 54, but the most common one is the 18 by 60s. The stringers do run underneath the caster plates, offering additional strength and to reduce any possible bending. Again, the corner pockets are fully welded inside and outside. The standard wheels would be an 8-inch by 2-inch urethane center wheel, which is a high load wheel. It uses a roller bearing that's sealed and uses 4 6x2 TPR square tread corner casters, which are non-marking, and it does have a 1,200 pound capacity and 3-year warranty. Other bulk delivery cart warehouse carts, we offer a 24-inch wide by 60. Again, has the same capacity, is constructed the same manner as our FHE one, which is our 18 by 60. This particular one, you can get optional shelves that you can move to 3 different heights and elevations. There are several other warehouse cart, picking cart accessories that are available for this. This one is actually shown with the center brake and the optional shelf.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.